Okay, we're going to show how to how to set praises, Lingala praise. Now this is PSR E473. We're going to select the best voice and then the best beat or style we use. Now we are going to select a guitar voice, that is number 467. 467 is there. Jazz arms. And that jazz arm sounds like this. So what we are going to do, we adjust the main volume. That is that. The default is 60. You can adjust to 120 there. Then we reduce the octave. Now the setting for voice is done. We're just now remaining with adding effect. This time we are going to add DSP1. DSP1, we're going to use a shortcut. We just press shift, then pressed DSP2. We are still in DSP2. Then we are going to press enter. Enter there. Then we rotate back to DSP1. You've seen? Then we press enter. Now here it is in off. We're going to rotate up to chorus. Chorus, where is chorus? Chorus is there. It is from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5, yeah. But we are going to use number 4. You're not yet feeling it so much because I've not yet added the intensity. Now we can add its intensity using the live control knobs, which are these knobs here. Those knobs. Now we are going to use this knob assignment. Now remember, we are going to add intensity of DSP1 to the keyboard. This is the keyboard. Now DSP1 here for keyboard is in number 3. DSP parameter A, parameter B. So we are going to adjust the knob assignment here. We press knob assignment. It is now, the default is 1. I'm going to press, now it has added to 2. It is in 3. That means these live control knobs will work for DSP parameter A, DSP parameter B. So these two knobs work hand in hand. Push them towards the right. So that is it. If you don't want this DSP, just turn these knobs to your extreme left like that. Then they're done. If you want them, so the DSP is off. So that is that. Then now in this keyboard, I like this keyboard. There is a very nice beat here. Lingala, number 235. It is there. Now you're done with here. So the voice is just very nice because that effect is on. So now let's peruse through the bass. Because in praise we need a nice sound on your right, that is the right one. Then on your left you need a very nice bass. Now My default here is 75, which is not nice for me. I'm going to try fretless. Now the octave is too high. I'm going to then we're good to go. Just press start and we go. Now for you who play F sharp, the pattern I'm playing is this. Obviously, you first press the bass first. This one first, this side first. Now this one is the second voice. I mean the second chord. That is this, like this is the first, this is the second. Yes. Now instead of pressing chord number 4, you're just pressing 2, but it is behaving it is like it is number 4 and it's just making the thing nice. Like that. Like that. So that is all. How to set praise. Anything you have not understood, you ask. Which part didn't you understand? Where? That one is